Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to reset your Venmo password. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, you need to download this Venmo app in your device, and once you install it, tap and open it. Once you open the app, tap on this login button. After you get to this page, tap on this forgot your password link. Once you do so, you'll have to enter your email address or your phone number associated with your account. If you have created your account using your Gmail, then you'll have to enter your email, and if you have created your account using your phone number, you'll have to enter your phone number. I'll just go ahead and enter my email address. Tap on this reset password button. Once you do so, you will receive a password reset link in your email address. Go ahead and check your Gmail. Once you receive that link, tap on the link and you can change your password to a new one, and that's how you reset it. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.